beautiful home sitting on a level 2.28 acres with a wraparound porch. Walking into the home, you have the living room, kitchen, dining room, laundry and half bath on the main floor. Upstairs you have your master suite, 2 bedrooms and an additional bathroom. The master suite is about 17 by 18 with 2 walk-in closets. The master bathroom is very spacious with a jetted tub and separate shower along with double vanity. Downstairs is a family room, another bath with a possible extra bedroom. The home has a filtration system as well. Owner has a Terminex Bait system installed as a precautionary measure so you can relax about any termites. In your beautiful backyard is an orchard of apple trees and pear trees that produce every summer. Also, a garden that is fenced from the additional fenced backyard. There is a nice-sized utility shed and a 2-car attached garage. All measurements/square footage are approximate. Seller will pay up to $5,000 toward buyer's closing costs and prepays.